Alright, it's a different kind of thing I'm doing. It's windy as heck out here, as evidenced by all the moving about of all the trees. I've got my little shotgun mic on here. I'm gonna have to change up how I'm gripping this thing because you are heavy. What I'm working on today, this guy here. The problem I'm having today is brake lights stay on even when I'm not on the pedal, which is going to drain the battery and catch the truck on fire, because what these things like to do, those little incandescent bulbs, they like to get hot down in there in that housing. So I'm going to fiddle fart the switch around, see if I can't figure out how to make this thing work better than it is working right now. Maybe sealing up the brake master cylinder. I basically glued it shut because it's leaking and I can't find a new one. Maybe that'll help. Build a little pressure in there, kick the pedal back up. It is completely manual. I don't know. I'm going to poke around at it, see what happens. Maybe I don't have to do anything today. We'll see. It would appear that all I needed to do was adjust the stupid thing. Now I'm not sitting in the truck and the brake lights are not on, which was the goal. That took like 2 minutes and some contortion and some cleaning out some spider webs. I just drove this thing 4 days ago and it's full of spider webs already. But hey, look at this. Brake lights aren't lit up, which is a thing. On to the next task. You know, Luke's got that, his old F-Series that he daily drives in the summertime. Old F100, F250, whichever it is, I'm not sure. And I've got this thing. It was daily driven until it became too unreliable. I got a hold of it and I fixed it and made it reliable again. You alright in there? Focus, focus. Ah, there you go. So now I'm focusing on fixing niggling little things like the brake switch, like this door with the armrest that wasn't attached anymore. So I'm going to fix that real quick. Well, that was really easy. It's all back together. And I only have one little piece left over. No idea where that belongs. Been out here for 15 minutes. What next? This cable is the knackered, so I'm going to replace it with this. It's what I had laying around, so that's what I'm going to use. Had to shorten it and make my own end. Don't know why I shortened it previously. I have no idea, but this is in my toolbox, so this is what I'm going to use. Old cable's off, new one's going on. Then we'll see if it starts. Reckon you want to see how she runs and drives, huh? There we go. On to the next dealio. This guy here. She no open. So I got to figure out what's up with that. I had it where it would open. All it did was oil it down and it started opening. You hear that? My neighbor's dog has been yapping for a solid hour. Oh well, let's get to work. Got the tailgate open. Took this bugger off. This is the latch and it is froze. Almost said what AV is always saying was something froze stiff, but it is froze solid with rust. I'm going to clean it all off and reassemble this thing. Maybe my tailgate will work properly. Maybe my tailgate will work properly then. If you don't have one of these little squirterton for oil, you need to pick one up because WD-40 and PB blasters sometimes aren't enough. You just take the little top off, fill it full of whatever oil you feel like. I'm using old motor oil, synthetic. Been burnt for 10,000 miles. And I'm going to take it, I'm going to squeeze it. all up in here. I'm going to do the same. And that's what I'm going to lube up all the joints in the tailgate with. And just as an FYI, the tailgate works now. So, I'm calling that a win. I think that's going to be it for this weekend. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.